It has finally happened. What South Africans have been waiting for, what many prayed would come to light, has now unfolded. The suspect accused of killing DJ Warras has been revealed. For the first time, the face, the identity, who allegedly sent them, where they come from, and the sentence handed down by the court are exposed. Every crucial detail is in this video. What do you think should be done to the suspects? Let us have your opinion in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more news. In Johannesburg, the murder case of media personality Warrick Stock, widely known as DJ Warras, has taken a significant turn in the courts this week. The trial against one of the main suspects, 44-year-old Victor Mthethwa Majola, has been postponed to January 6, 2026, as he prepares to apply for bail, a move the state has firmly opposed. Stock was fatally shot outside the Zambesi House building in Johannesburg's central business district. At the time, he had been contracted to provide security services at the premises, a role that placed him in a position of responsibility and, tragically, danger. The incident sent shockwaves through the media and the wider public, underscoring ongoing concerns over safety in the city's commercial areas. Initial reports suggested that 3 individuals were suspected in the attack, including one man described as having dreadlocks. Police have been meticulously investigating the case, reviewing witness accounts, security footage, and forensic evidence to establish the sequence of events that led to Stock's death. On Monday, 2 suspects, a man and a woman, were arrested at a hostel in Soweto, marking a key development in the investigation. However, during court proceedings, the state withdrew its case against the female suspect, citing insufficient evidence. This highlighted the challenges authorities face in securing convictions, particularly in complex and violent crimes. Victor Majola appeared in court on Wednesday alone, covering his face with a scarf and the hood of his jacket. Magistrate instructed him to remove these items to allow proper identification and ensure courtroom decorum. During this brief appearance, the state formally read Majola his charges, which include premeditated murder and conspiracy to commit murder, following Stock's fatal shooting. The state prosecutor emphasized that this is a Schedule 6 offense and opposed any application for bail. The matter was postponed to January 6, 2026, to allow for a formal bail application. Schedule 6 offenses, which include the most serious crimes under South African law, are treated with particular caution by the courts due to the severity of the crime and the potential risks to the public. The murder of DJ Warras has had a profound impact on Johannesburg's community. Colleagues, friends, and residents have expressed shock and sorrow over the loss of a well-known media figure. His death while performing security duties raises pressing questions about the risks faced by professionals working in urban environments where violence is an ever-present threat. The arrest and court proceedings have brought attention to the challenges of prosecuting premeditated murder cases. While the female suspect has been released, investigators continue to focus on Majola, whose alleged role in planning and executing the crime remains under scrutiny. Legal experts note that cases of this nature are often protracted, requiring careful gathering of evidence, detailed witness testimony, and meticulous adherence to procedural requirements to ensure a fair and thorough trial. For the public, the unfolding case highlights broader issues of safety and accountability in Johannesburg's central business district. The violent loss of a media professional engaged in security work underlines the need for vigilance, effective policing, and stronger protective measures for those performing essential duties in high-risk areas. As the January 6th hearing approaches, attention will center on Majola's bail application, with the courts weighing the potential risks to the community, the severity of the crime, and the likelihood of interference with ongoing investigations. The withdrawal of the case against the second suspect also underscores the necessity of solid evidence in pursuing justice, reinforcing the principle that arrests alone do not guarantee prosecution. For Stock's family and colleagues, the emotional toll of this tragedy remains immense. The legal process represents both a search for accountability and a hope that the circumstances of his death will be fully examined. The case continues to be closely watched as it raises questions about public safety, the effectiveness of law enforcement, and the broader challenges of ensuring justice in South Africa. As the nation looks on, the proceedings against Victor Mthethwa Majola serve as a reminder of the risks present in urban life and the vital role of the courts in upholding the rule of law. When the January hearing takes place, all eyes will be on Johannesburg Magistrate's court, where the judicial process will continue to unravel the events that led to the death of DJ Warras and determine the accountability of those involved.